chemical engineering undergrad. So it's from Nadeem Akhtar. Should I learn coding or go for MBA? Which one has better career prospects in terms of pay package? Okay, Nadeem. The thing is, I know coders who are jobless. I know coders who are earning 2 lakhs or 5 lakhs per month as well. Similarly, I know MBA people who are jobless. I know MBA people who do not who are charging a very low cost, who do not have enough salaries. And I know MBA graduates again who are earning 10 lakh per month or more than that. So the question is again, and that is the biggest misconception that we have in our Indian subcontinent, that if we do this particular course, then I'll earn more, and if I do that particular course, I will earn more. That's not true. The thing is that you have to really identify where your interest lies. If you are doing chemical engineering, then why are you thinking about coding or MBA? Because you have just heard that chemical engineering is cool, MBA is cool. What's wrong with chemical engineering? I was a mechanical engineer. The only reason I shifted to technology was because I was fascinated by technology. I had interest in technology and I developed my skills in technology. That's it, because I actually had passion for the technology. Otherwise, if I had passion for mechanical engineering, then I would have pursued it, I would have excelled in it, and I would have even sort of obtained a really nice job in it. I would have created a business in it. And in fact, my first job was in mechanical engineering. So I tried my field. I didn't feel like I would fit in it. So that's when I shifted my field. So if you are in chemical engineering, don't get me wrong when I say you could choose any career. The very first thing is that you can build an amazing career in chemical engineering, right? So there are so many things you could do over there as well. You could go into forensics. You could go into neurology. Like there's so many hybrid options that you can choose when you are in chemical engineering. Even technology firms nowadays need chemical engineers as well. So a chemical engineering as a field, or mechanical engineering, or whatever course you are in, just because you think that there are less jobs or whatever, or you are not interested in it, it doesn't mean that you go for coding or MBA, right? You have to really introspect where your interest lies. But if your interest is in learning coding, again, coding is something that's sort of like referred to as cool, but it's not only coding. You can actually go in marketing, you can actually go in designing, you can go into security, you can go in ethical hacking, you can go into gaming. Like there's so many fields you can go into. Of course, social media. There's so many fields that you can actually go into. There's plethora of options out there. You have to introspect and identify which fields to apply for. And the formula is pretty simple. Whatever field you think that is good, you don't have to right now choose between coding and MBA. Just try and develop a business model and try pitching it to some people. You would identify whether your interest lies in that type of thing. Similarly, if you think that you're interested in coding, try doing a project and see if you get successful in that or not, and whether that's something that actually excites you. Because no matter what you do, if you will love it, then it doesn't feel like that you are putting a lot of energy into it and then you spend days and nights. The reason I was able to excel in technology was because when I was working for it, I didn't feel like eating or sleeping. I was so engrossed in it. I was enjoying it so much that I really loved it. So as I said, if you love coding, then definitely go for it. If you're interested in MBA, go for it. But again, your own field, explore the things in your field as well, and you will find something. And the best way to explore is by trying and implementing it. And no one is actually stopping you to do it. So stop thinking, stop wondering, what should I do? What if my decision is wrong? Every step is learning, and everyone's journey is unique. Not just because I was successful in coding, like it's not the reason that you would be successful in the coding as well. Like you might have to explore the fields. And the reason I was successful in establishing a technology company was not because of my coding skills. If you ask me to write a line of code or a page of code, I cannot do it yet because I'm not good at coding. I'm not good at designing. I'm good with people. I identify the right resources. I have a bit of fear of technology, so I understand how it works, and I'm good at understanding the problems and solving them through technology. And that's how my company operates. So you don't have to be good at a particular skill to develop your business or develop your career. It's about identifying what you are good at, where your interest lies, and then develop your career from there. And that's